Hi guys, welcome to the final video in linear relationships and equations. So in the previous video, I went through this question on worded simultaneous equation problems. Okay, and I used the substitution method there by hand. I'm going to finish off with this final question here. Okay, so the same rules apply. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 48 centimeters. If the length of the rectangle is 3 times its width, what are the dimensions? So what is L, what is W? Okay, so if you're given a question which is about shapes or gets you to have the opportunity to draw a diagram, always draw a diagram. Okay, that's really important. So drawing my rectangle here. Oh, God, it's very difficult to draw on this stylus, sorry. Rectangle. Okay, and we'll call this length L here and then width there. And in doing that, I've defined my variables. I've written down what I don't know. I don't know the length or the width. Okay, but it says here the perimeter of the rectangle is 48 centimeters. Okay, so that means if I add all of those things up, okay, I get 48 centimeters. So L plus W plus L plus W is equal to 48 centimeters. Okay, so another way of writing that, if I collect my like terms, okay, is 2L plus 2W is equal to 48. And I'm going to leave off the centimeters for now. Okay, but we're measuring in centimeters. Okay, what else do I know? If the length of the rectangle is 3 times its width, okay, so that means L is equal to 3W, okay, and I find these kind of statements really tricky. Like sometimes I'll do this, that's not correct, okay, that's correct, and the way I like to think about it is that if the length of the rectangle is 3 times its width, so 1L is equal to 3W, okay, you just got to be really careful with that, okay. So I've got two equations here again, 1 and 2, okay, and I can use substitution, okay, because I've got 1 as the subject, okay. I've got L is equal to something. Because I've got L is equal to something, I'm going to substitute that equation 2 into number 1, okay. So sub 1 into 2, or vice versa, sub 2 into 1. Excuse me, sub 2 into 1. Okay, if I do that, I've got to change all the L's in 1 into 3W. So 2 times 3W plus 2W is equal to 48. So I've changed that L there, 2 times L into 3W. So 2 times 3W will give me 6W. So 6W plus 2W is equal to 48. 6W plus 2W is 8W. So 8W is equal to 48. Divide both sides by 8 and you get W is equal to 6. So the width is 6 centimeters. Okay, so the width is 6 centimeters. I've got to find the length. Okay, and from equation 2, L is equal to 3W. Okay, that's equation 2. When W is equal to 6 centimeters, okay, that gives me the length will be 3 times 6, which would be 18 centimeters. Okay, so just subbing that back into either equation, I can use either. I could use this equation if I wanted to, but I think that one's a lot easier to use. So that makes sense. 2 lots of 6 is 12, 12 plus 18 is 30, 30 plus 18 is 48. Okay, so that's the dimensions of my rectangle. So that's the last video. Hopefully these have been helpful. I'm going to be placing them on your lesson plan with another video from YouTube if it's if you're still confused. So use YouTube as a resource all the time as much as you can. And remember, email your teacher, email me, check up with us on Zoom, and best of luck.